In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Squarespace website after publishing tutorial. If your Squarespace site is already live and you want to make changes, the good news is that you can still update it at any time. Publishing your website does not lock it in place. You can go back, adjust your content, update sections, and add new blocks whenever you need to. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for accessing your published site and editing a page. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and go to your site dashboard. From there, click on Website. This is the main area where you manage the structure and appearance of your site. If you're new to Squarespace, this section is where you'll usually spend most of your time when making updates. Once you're inside the website section, click on Pages. This will open the panel that shows all the pages currently on your site. Here, you'll be able to see your main navigation pages, and depending on your setup, you may also see hidden pages or other page groups. This is helpful because it gives you a full view of what is currently published and available to edit. Next, select the page you want to update. Choose the specific page carefully so you're editing the correct content. This is especially important if your site has multiple pages with similar layouts or names. Taking a second to confirm the page before editing can help prevent mistakes. After selecting the page, click on Edit. This opens the page editor, which allows you to make changes directly to the content and layout. Once you are in editing mode, you'll be able to interact with the page visually, which makes the process much easier, even if you don't have any design experience. From here, you can edit the page content and add blocks. For example, you can update text, replace images, move sections around, or insert new blocks for things like text, images, buttons, galleries, or other content elements supported by Squarespace. This gives you flexibility to keep your website fresh and up to date after it has already been published. As you make edits, take your time and review each change carefully. Small updates can have a big impact on how polished your site looks. It's also a good idea to preview your changes visually before finishing, just to make sure everything is aligned and appears the way you want. And that's how you edit a Squarespace website after publishing. Once you know where to find your pages and how to enter edit mode, making updates becomes quick and straightforward.